Imagine a smoothly flowing river suddenly hitting a narrow gorge, causing water to back up and slow down. That is a perfect analogy for a bottleneck in any process. And in business, recognizing these choke points early is absolutely essential for smooth operations. The key indicators of bottlenecks in any operational process, especially within supply chains, are often visible through increased lead times, accumulating work in progress, and a decrease in overall output. These clear signs reveal points where demand consistently exceeds capacity, creating significant slowdowns and inefficiencies. The primary reason these indicators arise is a fundamental imbalance between the input of materials or tasks and the capacity of a specific process step to handle them. When a particular station or resource cannot process items as quickly as they arrive, work in progress naturally begins to pile up right before that point. This accumulation means that individual items take longer to move through the entire system, directly increasing the overall lead time from start to finish. Consequently, the rate at which finished products or services can leave the system, known as throughput, is limited by the slowest step, not the fastest ones. Therefore, even if earlier stages operate at high speeds, the bottleneck dictates the pace of the entire operation. Furthermore, resources upstream of the bottleneck might experience periods of idle time or waiting, while the bottleneck resource itself is constantly overwhelmed and working at 100% utilization. This disparity in resource load is a strong diagnostic signal. In some cases, the intense pressure on a bottleneck can also lead to increased errors or quality issues, as workers may rush, leading to more rework and further exacerbating delays. To observe these indicators in action, you can proactively monitor queue lengths at various workstations, looking for consistently long lines of waiting items or tasks. It is also beneficial to track the cycle times for individual process steps, noting any steps where processing time consistently exceeds the average. Utilizing data visualization tools, such as flow charts or value stream maps, can provide a powerful visual representation of slowdowns and blockages in the flow. Additionally, conducting regular Gemba walks, which involve observing the actual process on the factory floor or in the warehouse, offers invaluable first-hand insights. Do not forget the wealth of knowledge held by frontline employees, who often possess a deep understanding of where the operational snags truly lie. Understanding these indicators allows organizations to apply principles from the theory of constraints. This management paradigm suggests that a system's overall performance is determined by its single weakest link, the bottleneck. By focusing improvement efforts specifically on this constraint, rather than trying to optimize every single step, businesses can achieve the greatest gains in overall system throughput. This targeted approach prevents common pitfalls such as local optimizations, where improving a non-bottleneck step might actually lead to more work piling up at the constraint without improving overall output. By carefully observing these key indicators, organizations can pinpoint bottlenecks, apply targeted solutions, and significantly enhance operational efficiency. This proactive approach leads to faster delivery times, lower operational costs, and ultimately greater customer satisfaction. Understanding these signals is the first crucial step towards building a truly resilient and responsive supply chain capable of meeting modern demands.